So today I told myself I'd do a little mushroom hunting trip looking for morels. And there we go, baby. First morel, baby. Morel mushroom. I found some morels. Woohoo! I'm gonna cut these puppers. There's my next one. Look at that. I got some morel mushrooms. Some of those are small, but I'm gonna find some more in here along this creek bank. There's my morel. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Look at that. First morel mushroom I've ever harvested in the wild. Got myself a morel mushroom, 120 bucks a pound. And I'm gonna get some more, baby. Because look at that. There's another one right there. And some other smaller ones, and there's gonna be more around. So, morel time. Woohoo! First morel ever. Morel mushrooms. Foraging. Woohoo! Nice morel score. Wild mushroom score. Foraging. And there's another one. Right over there. Look at that guy. Right down in there. Woo! Morels. Wild foraging in the Sierra Nevada mountains with the travel adventure dude. Go get yourself some gourmet mushrooms. Woohoo! Woohoo, baby! I just hit this big old patch of morels. They're like everywhere in here. Right over here, there's some more. Morel mushrooms, baby. Gourmet mushrooms. Wild foraging in the Sierra Nevada mountains for you, baby. Look at that pupper. Morels. Woohoo! Just got this awesome super score of morels here. Super score of morels. Look at that. Some of these beautiful morels all in one spot. Big ones. Morel mushrooms, baby. Gourmet mushrooms. In the Sierra Nevada mountains with the travel adventure dude. Go get yourself some. Woohoo!